Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little get ready with me. I did my edges and my makeup on camera in like 5 minutes. It's my go-to no makeup look. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this, then keep on watching. So I'm doing a mini get ready with me because I have to go hang out with friends. But I'm just going to start off by spraying my face with some of this. So we're going to start off with our eyebrows. And today we're doing like little makeup, like natural makeup, because I don't have the energy to do a full face, but I was told I have to wear makeup, so that's what we're gonna be doing. So I'm just taking my Benefit brow pencil, precisely my brow pencil in number 5, and I'm just outlining the bottom of my brow. Basically just filling my brows in. And then we take our e.l.f. concealer brush and just blend it all out. We get our 8 Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Primer. And we put that on our face. I mainly focus it on the center of my face because those are like, my pores are like really big. But I just put it on throughout. I'm going to put this concealer, the NARS concealer, on my problem areas. So my whole fucking face. I think we're gonna just put more concealer. This Sephora Micro Smooth powder and set our whole face. Uh-oh. I don't think this was a smart move. I'm gonna take some bronzer. I use the MAC Mineral Skin Finish. We're just gonna put a little bit, not too much. powder bronzer. Contour our nose real quick because she's a little thick. Then we're gonna take this Becca, like, I don't know what the fuck this is. The blush is Flower Child by Becca. Apparently blush makes you look nice, so I need a lot. We're gonna use the highlighter that's in this, which is the Jaclyn Hill highlighter, if I can find my highlight brush. Champagne Pop. This. And then we're gonna take a little pencil brush, put on the nose. Cupid's bow. And inner corners. I high-key don't want to wear fucking mascara or anything, but I know I need to. I'm gonna line our lips with the Huda Beauty lip contour stick in Trendsetter. And then I low-key fill it in. Like, I guess I'll fill it all the way in. Vaseline. Like that. Then we're gonna curl the lashes. Eyelash glue in my eyelashes from last night. And I washed my face multiple times, but I can't get it off. And now I'm using Urban Decay mascara primer to prime my eyelashes. And I'm telling you, priming your lashes makes a difference. I don't ever wear mascara without priming my lashes. Then I'm using the Lancome big mascara. I don't know what, I don't speak French. Oui, oui. And I just apply this. Now, oops, I'm gonna do my edges. I used the green olive oil Eco Style Gel, and I either use an old toothbrush, or not an old toothbrush, but like the ones you get from the dentist, and then, or I use this little tool you get from the beauty supply, but I'm gonna start with this. And then I just dip in here, and I brush all of them down. And then I'm going to start off, I'll start off in the middle. I can also do an in-depth edge tutorial because I do my edges differently depending on how my hair is styled. but I don't know if people actually want to see that, you know what I mean? Bruh, my contact. We do this side. So yeah, that concludes my little get ready with me for my no makeup look. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and share and subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video. Aloe Chamil. Oops.